Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. The end of Umkhokha. The cast and crew of Umkhokha the case are allegedly informed that Umkhokha the case will not be renewed. The current season will be the final. The show will end its current season in March 2025. Reasons behind the cancellation still remain unknown. However, it's being whispered in the corridors that MultiChoice is allegedly producing two other shows. I quote, "The Zulu show will potentially take Umkhokha's spot, while the Xhosa show takes Gqeberha's spot," added the mole. The cast and the crew have already wrapped filming for this current season. Thank you for watching.